Okay, this video is for the Shell Game Speed Drill to show you how to use Control X and Control Shift Plus to rearrange cells. Kind of reminds me of a shell game. If I move this shell over here, then Excel moves the other one over here for me. So the idea is to make these cells look like these cells. Everything in column J is a solution. So I am going to start my timer, see if I can do this in 4 minutes. So you're going to see me using a lot of Control X, Control Shift Plus. First time through you won't hit 4 minutes, but maybe after some practice. You can also cut it and put it over here in a blank column. I'll do the same thing. I'll do it here again. Cut, put it in a blank row. Works just as well, so we can go either direction. This one's got a blank column in it that just gives us fits. But just do your Control Shift right arrow one more time to get over that blank column. And if you hit that Control key, that helpful little shortcut menu pops up. Just have to hit Escape. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one goes a little faster if you know your balance sheet items, just like the income statement items on the previous one. This gives you a little head start. That's an error. I need to go back and take that out of this file. I think that comment applies to a different problem exercise. Point being that sometimes it's tempting to use sort on this stuff, but I tried to write these in such a way that that will trick you if you're just trying to sort these, because the whole point is to learn shortcuts. Some of these I made it easy and put the numbers on the line items. So you're not always having to look over to the right. Now this one I think we needed to do both the rows and the columns. Whoa, here there were too many rows. This is to make sure that you're using your Control Shift right. If you're trying to use the mouse or just the arrow key, you'll really regret it on that exercise. However, you could do the whole column in this case. So we could do Shift Space, cut. Now you can't just Control Shift Plus right here, but I could right here. Or I could just take the whole column, the whole row, and do that. So play around with that and make sure that you're not trying to paste an entire row somewhere in column B. Okay, looks like I made my 4 minutes. See if you can do the same or better.